Hi guys. So today I'm gonna be trying pumpkin seeds. I saw them. They're like the last pack left in the store I go to, and I'm like, hey, I just heard about these. Like they taste good, supposedly. And they're good for your hair, supposedly. And I'm sure they are. So yeah, this is my first time trying pumpkin seeds. I've tried like you know the stuff that you scoop out of the pumpkin? I've tried that, and that's hella good, bitch. Bitch, please. So, yeah. About to try these. Hopefully I don't die or some shit. I don't know, because I never tried them. So, let's see. Okay, let me just read what it says first. So, dry roasted pumpkin seeds, sweet and salty. Oops. These don't really taste like pumpkin. I mean, they're not bad. They're not bad. Okay, so I give pumpkin seeds a 10. Yeah, I give them a 10. I was expecting them to taste weird and pumpkin-y. But these are actually like delicious and edible. I like it. Yeah, for sure. Okay, hold on. Okay, I want to go now because I have to